Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Mark channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about a interesting topic to manage you the whole sub account. You can configure the settings in the business profile. Just let's go back settings, business profile, business logo, email, phone number that you use to create, and time zone is the important thing. This is the location time zone. You can change to MDT, CST, or like whichever time zone you like to have as per your business location. And the other thing is like and the interesting thing, as you might know, Go HighLevel has been internationalized, which means like it supports multiple languages, and that you can set like platform language. Platform language you can change to Spanish, French, Dutch, Italian, Finnish, Norwegian, all the languages you can change. And if you change to that, all your all your tabs, menus, everything will go, and you can say, reach out to the customers in their language also. Outbound communication for custom values, English and Spanish supported. Say you have configured custom values, and those custom values can also be sorry those custom values can also be change it to the respective language. And the time zone, international platform language is the internationalization, and API keys we used, we have seen this before. These are all regular settings only, you don't have to worry about this. And call and voicemail settings, like how much time you allow the call to timeout. You can change the time, incoming call timeout to 10 seconds, 20 seconds at max. You can choose as per your convenience. Otherwise, you can, when you go to the team management, and you can see under the team management, there will be for each user we can configure call and voicemail settings also. So this is also possible with under business profile settings. But let's get back to the important ones. Time zone is the important, and other than this two, there are like multiple other things which are very important, which I want to highlight. One is allow duplicate contact. GHL on its own doesn't allow the duplicate contact. Let's say I have a contact in this sub account with this email ID. This is a dummy contact only. Let's keep a copy of this, copy it, and let me add a contact. I am using the same email as the earlier user available in the CRM. You just click save. You will see like this location does not allow duplicate contacts, which means like you can't have the contact with the same email or the same mobile number in the CRM level. If at all your business case mandates it, you can allow the you can click allow duplicate contacts, and then you can have the same customer twice, or like the same contact with the same email ID or phone number twice in the CRM. But this would be like a unique case as per for your business requirement. In case if you wish, you can do that. Now it's allowing. Earlier it was not allowing, now it's allowing, just because we have enabled the duplicate contact setting. And duplicate contact is fine. And then the allow duplicate opportunity. Say we have a sales pipeline with a intro scheduled for the John, attributed to Google Ads with a lead value of $1,200. Say I have a customer, I have sold a product for a customer 3 months back, and now I have sold another customer, same customer another product recent a week back. We need to have, as per the business needs, it should reflect in the dashboard, right? It should reflect in the opportunities. In HubSpot, like CRM, they have a deals where they show all the deals so that we can understand the lifetime value of the customer. But in GHL, we don't have the direct way, but what you can do, you can allow duplicate opportunity, and then let's go to the same user. Same user, and let's create update an opportunity, another opportunity in the same pipeline. He is already in the intro scheduled one. We can sales pipeline, and even in the same stage also we can do. This time lead value is $600 and source is organic and status open. Now since we have allowed the duplicates of contacts, it shows the same customer available in the same pipeline but twice. This you can know, add a note like deal closed on, deal done on 5 6/11/2023. And this can be on 17. So at least you have a note, and you can see like this customer has purchased 2 different products over a period of time. So this way you can calculate the lifetime value of the customer. So these two are very important things. And match Facebook contacts by name, only incoming messages, but these are like if as you might know, like you can directly respond to the customers who have come through Facebook messages, messenger messages, or like the Instagram messages too. So those contacts also can be matched. And the disabled contacts time zone, as you might know, GHL has introduced a very useful feature, which is like when you create a workflow like this, say when for a form submitted customer, you are sending out a email, but you can like provision the email, or like you can like channelize the email to send it to on a specific day and within the specific time interval, because different US states have different regulations for reactivation, for like outbound messaging and all those things. So it's safe to, also the customers won't like to get a message 4 a.m. on 4 a.m. right? So you can schedule the message, and you can like on a particular day you can schedule it. But earlier the problem was, even if the customer has come from a different time zone, it will work only on the location specific time zone which we have set in the business setting. But now we have set the timing. Now you can set the timing as contact time zone also. Say this is the time window for communication management. Under settings you will see this is workflow settings, and you can anytime would be the default one. You can go to specific time, and you can choose specific date and time also. So you can like adjust as per your customer likings too. And then the important thing is like you can just go and select contact time zone, which means like irrespective of the account, you might be in a MDT time zone, but the customer might have come from CST time zone. If you have set this setting, the GHL will follow the contact time zone, and as soon as the contact comes in and gets created, and the contact time zone will be the will be the window for the GHL to send out the messages. So this time range we have set works based on the contact time zone, not on the location time zone. So this is another interesting feature, and the other interesting feature is mark email as valid due to hot bounce. Say if at all you are sending a mail to a customer, and and if and and if it gets bounced, as the list management and the SMS compliances is becoming tighter, it's better we have a proper mechanism for unsubscription, invalid email, cleaning up the emails list, all those things. Now it's been more or less automated with go high level. Say as soon as an email gets into hot bounce, it automatically disables the DND that particular email, and for the same goes for the phone numbers also. If at all you have an invalid number, whenever the SMS goes out, it checks for the whether the number is valid or not. If it's not valid, then automatically the things goes for a runs into error, and it throws a error message. Just wait, I will show you. Say if it's unsuccessful, then the thing is like a DND all channels. The email received permanent bounce, and then it marked as DND for that particular channel. If it runs into error for the SMS channel also, then it marks the DND, the text messages. So the list cleanup services is more or less handled by the Go High Level itself. In case if you in case if you check with the customer and it bounced because of unknown reason, you have to unmark it, otherwise it won't send your marketing sequences. So these two are important features, and for the higher plans, you also get this three other things. Mark SMS compliant by adding opt-out message. Say it's mandatory for when you send out text messages, because of state specific regulations, you have to allow them to unsubscribe. Unlike a email, you won't have the unsubscribe link, but Twilio itself offers, like whenever the customer replies stop, or it automatically unsubscribes the customer from receiving further messages from your configured number. Same goes for, you can also make SMS compliant by adding a sender information. When you send out the SMS, it should have a proper identity, who is sending it, and from that's why we often explain to you in mail or like SMS, like thanks for opting in through Facebook form, or like thanks for, we need to remind the customers how they subscribed, so they as how they express their interest to our service, so they don't mark as spam. So these are all like additional things which will improve the quality for the system as a whole, and for your reputation also. And same thing goes for make email compliant by adding unsubscribe link in the footer. You can customize it also, like you can customize it if you no longer wish to service this. You may also this you can customize it. So these are all like the compliance specific services which go high level now makes it easy for us to manage the entire system. And the final thing is like missed call text back. Missed call text back is an awesome feature. Many of a standalone tools sell this as a separate service, but Go High Level has the all-in-one platform offers this as a very simple toggle. All you have to do is under the business profile you can enable missed call text back. Say when you are busy and we could not your VAs or your team could not attend the call, you can immediately, as soon as a missed call you receive a missed call, this can send a message, hey, this is location name, this allows the custom value, and I saw your missed call, how can I help? You can customize it, please text so that we can respond. Text for any query or call during business hours. Sorry. So yeah, this this will do this also. You can customize it and just click save it. As whenever a missed call comes, you receive a missed call for the configured LC or the tool number, this message would automatically send out. In case you have a separate workflow to manage the missed call text back, you can just disable it. This won't go out. So use this. These are legacy features. Earlier workflows were not available long before campaigns and triggers were available. That was still used by some of the old customers. So you can enable it or disable it, but nobody uses now, right? You can everybody move to the workflow. So this is these are all like sub account settings which you can do or like tweak to shoot your business case, also to make your system comply with the state laws. Let me know in case if you have any queries. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.